Hello, good morning. Today is 2022 August 14th, Sunday. I'm just made a video on a Chinese character about ginger. And in my video, I'm talking about the so complicated writing here. And I said it, don't worry, because we have the Unicode. So if you want to input something, if well, maybe a few characters that involve Chinese, for example, a Taiji or Jiandi, something for fun or for just certain reason you may have to input some Chinese word. Don't worry that you can use Unicode. And that Unicode to copy from here, copy the Unicode and back to okay. So we say ginger equal true. But mind you that for using the Python, you cannot use this one. You have to modify a bit to make it here and to get a structure and to get a small letter. And then say, see whether it works. And then you say ginger in Chinese is, and then you say ginger. Yes, it works. Okay. Ginger in Chinese is like this. Okay, so you say, oh, I don't need Chinese. That's okay. And then I highlight. Okay, that's okay that you don't need to print any Chinese, but you may need some characters that you mathematical symbols, for example, degree. Oh, you got a fever, the temperature about 100 degrees C. Because it looks very bad, it says that 100 degrees C or degrees C like that. It doesn't look good. Okay, so you make a special character. Don't worry that you can come here, go to this website, and find a lot of Unicode based. There are some many interesting Unicode, like the degree. Okay, copyright degree. Yeah, degree here. You copy the degree, Unicode, and back. Say degree. Again, get a structure. Remove this part. Make it lowercase. And remember, it has to be lowercase. Okay, no way, no choice. This one can be uppercase, no problem, but not for the U. So you got a 100 degree. Gotta get a degree here. C. No, not C. F. Okay, degree F. And then put an F here. So you have got a fever temperature. It's about 100 degree F. Okay. Okay, maybe you also need and if you're an electrical engineer, you may print a lot of ohms, how many ohm resistance, and you can find out in the website what is the ohm there, and I found out that like that. Okay, say ohm is equal to U0389. Okay, and then can say the resistance has 100 ohms ampere. Okay. That's just for fun. That a thing that another Chinese character, very complicated one. Just for fun, just doesn't matter. I live. The resistance of 100 ohm. Okay, I can make a little space here. The resistance 100 ohm is a sin. It's just for fun. No, it is not a sin actually. Okay, so that is the way of printing Unicode using Python. And I hope you like this video, and may talk to you again maybe tomorrow about Python scripts. In the meantime, I'm doing other other playlists on photography and Chinese characters, and I hope you also like to watch them. But my main interest is still in Python. I will develop more on that, and also, yeah, I keep on also doing some um, videos on iPhone. And I'm actually, I was a Android user years ago, and I now shift over to iPhone because I also like to develop some TV app on iPhone. Okay, so I have several things that I have to do together because I'm now semi-retired and I have a lot of free time now, and I'm very busy because I keep all those hobbies going, and I think it's more busier than what I'm before when I have a full work. Okay, thank you very much for listening, and have a nice day and a nice weekend.